Nhất xa sự hở chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hả nghe, lại phim ngay xe.
Bác có bài bên em nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nắp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chung
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Omrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki nong penya jaka khasau terik urampang arajar apan rio. Kila penmana pajba ban pelong ya ki audition na kabenta ka jingya ko Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 but ya ka Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. State Director Uba Brian N. Walang ha ka jingakran bat kilat patai kubor. Ula pentip bahaswa ban pelong ya ka grand finale ha ka shitarik uyayong arajar apan rio. Na kabenta ka Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026. Kaba ayla tang ya ki samlakan thai ki balak kenjo ya karta ka bakhat pras nam shaneng on sa pelong shwa ya ki audition ha kelang ke jala Meghalaya kabansa sedang nadu ka nyautrek ulber hatura shipau tarik ulber ha jawai bat khatsau tarik ulber ha shillong ki nongjob ne ladu ha kanigaran san yakob kin sayolat ban mikmat ya ka jala Meghalaya ha ka Miss Universe India kabansa long ha nongba Jaipur kadba nakabenta ka Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026 ki nong isimenta ki debanlong ki balakenjo ya karta ka bakhalai hadu khat khandai snam karta.
Well, this year we just want to do something a little different. So we're not only holding auditions in Shillong, but we're also going to have an audition in Jaitya Hills, that's in Juwai, and in Turang, so that we can have members from all over the different districts of our state included, because there are many of them who didn't get the opportunity earlier, so we want to give everyone the opportunity. So that's why we will be going to these other districts, so that we will be able to conduct these auditions for them. We also open to other districts if they want us to have auditions in their state districts. We will also be willing to go there, because for me personally, and I think for my team here, we really want as many girls to be able to be a part of this, because it's not just about beauty, but it's also about self-growth. We want them to go through, because we're going to have nearly a 2-week training program for them, so that by the end of that program, whether they win or not, we want them to be confident, we want them to be able to be focused, to be able to be an asset to society and also asset to themselves, because once they go through the training, there are so many job opportunities which can be waiting for them, and I think they will be much more confident being able to go after these 2 weeks, and I'm sure each contestant will notice the difference in themselves. So for Jaitya Hills, Mr. Taibor Lang will be in charge. He's our team member, and from Garo Hills we have Miss Nancy Sangma. So both of them will be the ones who are coordinating for us in Garo Hills and also in Jaitya Hills. And that's why I want to encourage all the young girls, because for the teen category, the age limits from 13 to 19. And for the Miss Universe Meghalaya, it is from 18 years onwards. There are no other criteria, there's no height criteria, there's no weight criteria or anything like that. It's just open to anyone and everyone who wishes to participate in this. And that is why I want to encourage everyone to please come forward and participate in it, because it is going to be a learning experience for each and every one of them. And today, with so much challenges in the world where jobs are concerned, going through this training period, I'm sure it'll help them to be able to achieve many things which they wish to achieve after going through this training. At the end of the day, we're going to say that we are not just here to select winners, but we are building ambassadors for our state. We'll be really happy if the parents also were involved in it. So the parents could support them by being there whilst we're having our practice sessions. Because we are going to try our best in whatever way we can to take care of each and every girl the best way we can. Because at the end of the day, I believe that every child and every teen and every person who's entering the Miss category too, they all need to be taken care of, so that whatever we do and in this during this period of time, they will be able to do well at the end of it. I think because what we need today are young, confident people in our state who will be able to carry our state forward, and through something like this, they will be able to do so.
Regarding the grooming part of the competition, especially for the contestants, is that this is not just a beauty pageant. It is a platform where confidence is cultivated, voices are amplified, and futures are shaped. So our contestants will be going through a process of personality development, community impact, RAM walk mastery, for them to be able to handle Q&A interviews, fitness, which includes from skin to their mental health and wellness, and most importantly for us is we are looking for a contestant who's going to come with great authenticity, build not only their personality development but build a career around it. So our main focus this year is that the girls, they come in with a little few rough edges and we define them into refined young women. So there's a lot of grooming sessions that we'll be giving the girls today.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.